good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, you know it's Friday, it's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to take it back a little old school, for me anyway. I remember this conversation growing up. What are we going to have for dinner? I'll just take out a couple steaks. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do old school, just steak and potatoes, but I'm going to do it on the grill that I just got. The Steelmade in USA griddle. Check out my other videos, but you'll see it here in a few minutes. But hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. And let's get started with some good old steak and potatoes. So as always, like all my videos, I'm going to start with my supporting cast. It's a very simple, easy recipe, guys. Nothing spectacular about it. It's just old school, good, wholesome, comfort food. So the main ingredient, I got some sirloin steaks here. Use whatever cut you want. Ribeyes, T-bone, porterhouse. I just got some sirloins. That was what was on sale. Then I got a little bit of butter. Of course, I got my pink Himalayan sea salt, my black pepper. I got some lye seasoning salt. And then here I got some just regular old button mushrooms sliced up. I got some onion that I cut up. And here's my potatoes. I just put them in some water so it wouldn't turn brown on me. But guys, that's really all I'm going to be using on this recipe. So just some good old-fashioned steak and potatoes. I'm going to start with my potatoes. It's a hard root vegetable. Takes the longest to cook. So I'm going to put a little bit of butter here on the griddle. Back here in the back corner. And I'm going to take my potatoes and put right back here. And you guys can cook the potatoes any way you want. You know, you can slice them kind of like the old-fashioned fried potatoes. That's kind of what I'm doing, but I'm doing it in cubes. So I'm kind of doing some like country-style hash browns. But you guys can do it that way. You guys can do French fries. Steak and potatoes is just what I remember as a kid. So I'm doing them. These steaks really simple. Nothing complicated. Salt, pepper, some lye seasoning salt. That's all I'm putting on them. But I am going to season them pretty heavy. So you guys who are sticklers for all the salt and pepper, deal with it. So I got my salt here. Got my pepper. And like I said, you can use whatever cut of steak you want. These happen to be on sale, so that's what I got. That just reminds me of back in the day with my mom and dad. They would get whatever was on sale, but it always turned out good. A little bit of seasoning salt. So I'm just going to take these and flip them over. And I'm going to season the other side. So we're going to let those sit out, let the seasonings get into it, and I'll be back here in just a minute. Okay, so over here I'm putting a little butter on the grill. And I'm going to put my onions over here. We're going to sweat these down a little bit, get them nice. And I'm going to throw my mushrooms on there in just a moment. And as you can see, my potatoes are cooking up nicely. And I'm going to grab my mushrooms here. And I'm going to let all this cook down just a little bit here. I'm going to cover it up here after I put a little bit, well, I'm going to cover them up here just in a moment. Put a little lid over so they can start to steam a little bit. There we go. Smell a little butter there. One steak, two steaks. You got to have that sear, guys. Look at the sear on this steak here. So I'm going to flip this one over. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. And you see the edge of this one curling up a little bit. And you guys who eat fried bologna, you know the trick to this. Take a little cut. Let it lay flat. There we go. Back over here to my onions and mushrooms. These are done. They're absolutely done. Oops, I dropped the mushroom. So the food is done. Steaks turned out perfect. I just turned the grill off. The corn I took out of the pan, put it on the grill for a little roasted effect. Potatoes are just right. Mushrooms and onions, whoo, fire. Doesn't get much better than this. This reminds me of back in the day with my mom and dad. Just good old steak, potatoes, a little ear of corn, and some mushrooms and onions there. But I'm going to show you this. Look at the juices come out of that thing. But I'm going to cut it here. Look at that. Little pink, just like I like it. If you like it rarer than that, be my guest. But that is perfect for me. Steak and potatoes. A little corn to throw in there. Some mushrooms and onions. You got to do it up right. But you know I'm going to take a bite. Well, you know it's good when you eat the gristle and everything. Hey guys, if you want to get one of these griddles that I have, just go to the link that's below. I'll display it here on the screen as well. Just go to the link, and it'll take you right to their website, Steelmade USA. You get a discount on whatever you purchase. So go ahead and check that out, guys. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, guys. Share the video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.